Let's move in time to the year 1930 and following years. Two French scientists, André de Belizal and Paul Morel, go to Egypt to research those amazing structures which we called pyramids and sphinx, to find out what are the secret vibrations which are released from those shapes, which can be used to our advantage in the future. From there, we have the most amazing pendulum, which is called Universal Pendulum. We invite you to the course about Universal Pendulum, when you can learn how to use it for you and for others in healing, in increasing your prosperity, wealth, whatever you want in your life. Hello, my name is Alicja Aratyn. By training, I'm an environmental engineer and chemist, and by passion, I'm a reverend, so my cup of tea is connected science with metaphysics, bridging those two to come to holistic approach to things. Some people talk about me, this woman from Europe, and sometimes they will tell you that, oh, I was taught about Universal Pendulum from this woman from Europe. I'm this woman. I brought Universal Pendulum to this continent, and it is my great pleasure to teach you in details about it, because we can enormously benefit from using them. Universal Pendulum comes in two forms, one, the larger one, and the smaller one. And we will talk about why there are two sizes. One is, you can have them, both of them, on long string or short string. Why? We'll find this secret as well. And for using for yourself, you can use also the simple stand to pass these specific vibrations to you. The Universal Pendulum is the most sophisticated one, and it has those additional 12 vibrations marked on the pendulum between white and black, and there is no pendulum, no other pendulum in the world which goes so precise and so deeply into those vibrations, which we know because everyone knows gamma rays. Everyone knows X-rays. So you can find them here, and we will talk in details about them. We will also talk about so important aspect of energies today, which is electric and magnetic level of the energy. We know that we have a lot of electrical pollution right now. We know that we have magnetic pollution right now. Not many people talk about it, but scientists know about it. So I will share with you the scientific researches on this. But that is not the main point. The main point is to learn how to use this pendulum for yourself and others to help you enrich your dowsing skills, your healing abilities, prosperity in your life, better life performance, and everything what you want to have. Because as we all know, dowsing has unlimited applications in our life. Feel invited. It will be 4 weeks course. We will meet every Wednesday on Zoom, and we will learn new skills and enormous knowledge about dowsing and spirituality.